So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are testing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're just testing the DJI Osmo, and then we're also testing the quality of the video. So I'm gonna try to move to see if it is actually picking up it is gonna go with me or not. DJI, follow me. So let me try to start. It is detecting my movement. So we are actually just trying to locate that. It's still detecting, it's still picking up. So the whole idea is for me to see if it's gonna start working. It's tracking my face track, it's enabled. So let me see. There we go. So we're actually just testing the DJI Pocket 3 Osmo, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, right? Anyway, that's the whole idea. We're just testing the tracking. There you go. Let me try to track it from a distance. I'm gonna get up and then I will see how it's gonna track me. All right. Okay, we are getting up. Oh, it's going with me. Guys, it's going with me. Anyway, that is actually the whole idea for this video, just to check, to track. He's gonna follow me. There we go. So, we got you. Osmo Pocket 3. This is so good, you guys. So, that's our DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Tracking and tracking. It's going up and down. You guys, this is so fun. Oh wow, that is so cool. So that is just what I wanted to see, to test the microphone and then also to test detecting my face. So yeah, that is it. Let me try to pick it up. See how it's gonna track my face. It's going. So let me know what you think about this new microphone. If it sounds different, if it sounds bulky, if it sounds good. Okay, let me know. But yeah, so far I like it. I like the whole situation going on. I like the whole fact that it's tracking me. Let me place it here. So many options for this. You see, with the feather I'm going, the feather is also following me, right? So when I come closer, it's still detecting my face movement. See that? Perfect. So right now, I'm gonna share with you guys a few footages with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is actually outside, not driving fast, but just normal speed. But as you can see, the objects are not blurry, or it's just very smooth. As you can see, right, it's very smooth. So I'm gonna try testing indoors as well, but right now I'm just gonna test inside the car. I had my friend hold it at the front, you can see, right? So then again, I'm gonna try indoor as well on a sunny day, and then I will take you guys to the actual footage where I'll be sitting down and just recording and talking and trying to do some tracking and stuff like that. So it's coming. Enjoy the video. Can I see?
With cinnamon.
If the ladies are working, we are working.
Kita go Rosen. Ah, udah bikin kita. Bikin television ini kan. What about now? It's detecting. Hi. testing this. I don't know what this is, but yeah. It's detecting. I can see it's good. Oh, the sound. I think it's good. Boom. You just press the record button.
Oh my god, it's following me. And it's already recording as it is. You see? And I can see you right here.
Oh my god, wow. This is good.
I need a specific for you need advance, so I'm gonna you may my thing is now they're running a lot. How do you move?
Yeah. Oh god, this is following me everywhere. Oh
And
wow.
the quality and then right away you can just
Wow, this is a lot.
This is the one. That's the one. They're very that which I got from
How much did you sell it for?
Mine was the same one, but mine was the Sony CV one. So right now I'm testing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 without the microphone. I don't even know how it sounds right now, but I'm just testing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and it's not tracking my face, so I dismantle the tracking of the face. I just turn it off. So yeah, I don't even know. I'm using the light very close to me and it is so bright, like it's really so bright. So yeah, so we just came out, and one thing I did today, I forgot to take my camera with me because I wanted some footage from the church as well, but I'll do that tomorrow. During the day. So we are still taking the footage from the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is 12 midnight. I have a ring light in front of me, but it's so bright. So basically, the Osmo doesn't want that much light. When your hairdresser is hairdressing. My goodness, I look beautiful. I look eatable. Oh my god. Who is this? What is the name of the magazine that this woman is what? Come on. Mano send the way again. Oh my ray. Mago omuri mago nasi. Me future. Your magazine. Magazine cover. Oh my goodness, look. I'm just giving the giving. How come they ningena? Oh my god. Muda was much better than no one is gonna recognize me. The photographer is busy, you just behave yourself. Look at me, boy. I hope it's up. When can you go done? Either my person by the national to Ashirashime Muraven, Omulishima Munikana one, Amuhingirita Capite Pose. Ya que tomarán to bounce in my head. I wanted the light. I wanted this light. Narokatindangan, make achake munikana, make umukapo. You should go to the How to Korean? They do more studio good. Korean.
No.
But you never sitting good.
Kau temu Inggris aja berani. Oh,
Dari mana?
Kau di satu sini.
Anda wena wanushe.
Abi kau di satu.
Awolo smile hey. Lamu ya show ndio kwamba tubali that dive. Kulisa wana shen. Biro onaito background ama to hamapo. Actually, I like the whole thing. I like the.
Apa kau cakap?
Oh iya, bagus.
Mau kerabat?
Karena gua,
No, kayak joy namu sana no. Anda aku besi waru bulu.
Wasu, ay nako mo swali rugo.
Ese shiwa.
Which one?
Ese shiwa.
So we are at the service. We're streaming at the service. For the chest. So we are testing the camera. Testing the camera. Testing. Hi guys. Sunday service. You wanna see my outfit check? You wanna see my outfit check? Before we start the service? I didn't bring my stand, but okay, hold on. You gonna track my face? I'm just starting right now. Sing the Namibian flag. Yay! He's coming So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give my video some love, give it a thumbs up, leave beautiful comments on what you think about my audio quality, and also don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. It's gonna help me to grow. It's gonna help YouTube to refer my videos to the right audience, the YouTube algorithm. Guys, I actually missed recording, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to place my microphone on here, right, and just see. There we go. So we're done. Ta-da! See you guys on the flip side, and don't forget that there is someone that loves you, and his name is Jesus Christ. He's actually waiting for you to save your soul. So see you guys on the flip side. Ta-da!